Hi guys, Maswera say, welcome to African Beyond Television Network again. This afternoon, ndauya nenyaya iri kupisa at this moment in time. Takaona Kiki na Tytie, a lot of videos which are being traded on social media. We have seen Kiki and Tytie coming to give their side of the story. Pane zvese zvakaitika. However, sort of the earth Shadaya night abva auya ndobva ataura something, and we need to take a look, because remember, Shadaya is very influential when it comes to social issues in Zimbabwe, and is now also delving into political matters and political issues, and his voice is now being heard. Remember, Shadaya has been classified as one of I don't know the actual term urikushandiswa kuAmerica, but he's being classified as one of the dangerous people side rekunana America. I've forgotten the actual term rakataurwa. So Shadaya came and said, after Nigerian men, Zimbabwean men come second when it comes to being weak. Imagine you discover that the woman you are dating has countless sex tapes with other men, and your immediate reaction is a podcast defending her. It probably explains to you why Zimbabwe is the way it is. A lot of pussified men. This is the definition of being a cuck. You literally watch countless videos of your woman being inserted dicks in all holes, and you come defending her. If you are not even Hansi, if we are to even investigate, it wouldn't be shocking that this Momo guy actually gets turned on watching those sex tapes. Apa ndo panopedza guys kuti just imagine kuti inomiswa nekuona masex tape evamwe, and that is reality to most men. That is the reason why vamwe vachigara nemaporn videos, vamwe vachigara nezvimabhuku zviya zvezveporn and everything else. Kana vasati vatombodaidai nevakadzi vavo vanombotanga vaona. Some even have some pictures of nude women mumafoni avo, vanombotanga vamboonaona, then yobva yadi yagwina, then wozoenda kunana madhamu vavo. It's happening. It's an embarrassment to his whole family. Then again, most probably he comes from a family of idiots as well. No strong father will ever raise a cuck. No sensible mother would ever support his son to date or marry a slut, learn or perish. The language here is too heavy in Zimbabwe for Kiki. But let us take a look on this issue. According to these guys, they say the other guy, Aitama sex tape na Kiki, is the person who threatened to leak these nudes, and it happened. Was Tytie supposed to come per live program na Kiki, showing solidarity na Kiki and everything else? Other people are saying he did what was right, he stood with her. Other people are saying he's wrong. The same will happen to him as well kana vachinge vazobudana. Then there is an issue yekuti Kiki akatozonoiswa tattoo rakanzi Tytie. The major question yandiri kuona chibvunzo nevamwe ndeyekuti, what if they separate in the future? Because you cannot guarantee what will happen in the future. What if they separate in the future? What will Kiki do to deal with this matter? How is she going to cope? Vamwe varume vese vari kuzviona zvichiitika on social media, how are they going to deal with this issue yekuti unenge uchitoona pachidya pauroda kupinda iwewe chidya chimwe chete ichocho unenge uchiona chakadhirowiwa rimwe zita raumwe murume. All those things in Zimbabwe, personally, I believe that is a mistake yakatoitwa naKiki ipapapo. But if we are to take a look on Tytie, is Tytie weak, or Tytie is just a man who is trying to make money? Remember, kuti Tytie na Kiki, if you take a look on the analytics, they are now trending more than they were doing in the past, which means vanhu vatobhostika. There are a lot of celebrities vakabhostika because of some controversies. For example, I can give you munhu anonzi Lorraine. She made a video rakashoka internet yese, right, ndinyengeyo guys, what, and she was then dismissed from work, and everybody said, no, that was not fair for Lorraine. Everybody started following Lorraine. From that moment, she's up high. So Is this a strategy used by Kiki and Tytie to be on top of the situation in terms of marketing their videos online? Because if you go to YouTube, if you go to Facebook, they are trending everywhere. Everyone wants to hear about them. People have been following them. And if you take a look on the number of videos they are now releasing, which are not related to this whatever thing, guys, it's something else. So is it a fact or it's something else? Kuti people would deliberately leak their sex tapes in the name of kuti alekiswa nomwe munhu. Other people are saying so as to be popular. I do not know because everyone under nyaya dzemujolo kamwana wangu ngoti kwaita nyaya dzemujolo vanhu vanomhanya ikoko nyaya dzechiuri vanhu vanodzida. So let us see. Personally, I don't want to delve into this matter. I don't want to give you my own views regarding this matter. I'm just here to say what Shadaya is saying. Hanzi, let me try to find okay, I don't know if this comment is related to this one or something else. Hanzi definitely a product of weak and emasculated father. No masculine man would allow such weakness to thrive. Women detest such weakness in men. Okay, this is Pierre Kundi. So, and the men, we live in times of polyandry and polyamory. Grow a pair and move on from your stand age beliefs. Okay. So, and when you say Nigerian men, please be specific. Not all of us are weak. Only Anambra men from the eastern part of Nigeria are weak men, not all Nigerian men. Okay. So the men is trending everywhere, including in Nigeria. So and Alpha, there is South Africa before Zimbabwe. All right. So and I disagree, say we Nigerian men are the most strongest. Okay. So and today as men we choose to learn. Okay. So and the real pandemic is the lack of masculine men. And I never knew Zimbabwe had its fair share of simps. It is what it is. Okay. So as the blaz apa murukuti chiapa when you say Zimbabwe is the way it is. Hanzi nyatsotaura yakatinzwe. Zvikanzi after age, okay, zvikanzi okay, this is something which I quote ipapa chiri in circle. Zvikanzi Rabi has spoken. Okay. So zvikanzi marecords acho amboripiko. Nigerian men aren't weak. Okay. And the Nigerian men need some rest. Pity for us. We know they do like that again. When the pussified keep cooking God. So and this guys, what happened when you are a pussified man? What kind of a man are you? Guys, this is something. This is something. This story of Kiki na Tytie, guys, it does have a lot of ankles. Vamwe unozvati vanhu vari kutaura kuti chikuru kuita mari kezvinezvi, and they can do anything to make money and they don't even care about anything else. I don't know, guys, what you think. Is it a money making scheme? Is it a popularity issue or whatever? Because personally I didn't know about Tytie and Kiki. I started to know them after this scandal, and a lot of people agree with me on that. I don't know, guys. Let us talk in the comment section. What do you think? What do you have to say?